Hello students, I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty God. In my last video I started lesson 7. Name of a lesson is the contest. Let me recapitulate few points of this lesson. Meaning of contest. Before starting the lesson I explained you. An event in which the people compete for supremacy in a sport or other activity. An event in which people compete for supremacy in a sport or other activity. Meaning of supremacy also I explained to you, the state or conditions of being superior to all. Got it? Superior to all. Long ago, it is a story of long ago. The people of the group of villages always choose a common headman, and they call that headman as a governor. Once the old governor fell very ill, so they decided to choose a new governor. The wisest man in the region should be our new governor. This all, who was this deciding? People were deciding in the village, but they leave a magician in one of those villages. He proclaimed that he proclaimed he is only the wisest person in that village. So he want to be a governor, and it's a conversation started between two ladies. Who are there? One is milkmaid, and other one is laundress. So they started conversating. When they were communicating with each other, when they were conversation was going on, who heard that? Shoemaker. Shoemaker is also called as cobbler. The village shoemaker overheard the whole conversation between the milkmaid and the laundress. Did you hear what the milkmaid said this morning? He said to the village potter. Now the shoemaker is passing this information to the potter. The milkmaid says the magician will change us all into frogs if he becomes the gardener, and that he is not even as wise as her cow. Who said this? Shoemaker. To whom? To the potter. When the potter came to the blacksmith, now the potter is passing this information to the blacksmith. To have his horse shot, he said to the blacksmith. Did you hear what the milkmaid said this morning? Now now the potter said to the blacksmith, and now blacksmith is listening this. She said that the magician was a frog, and that her cow was wiser than the magician. He passed that information fully wrongly, right? Near that village there was an inn. Inn. Meaning of inn is what? A small hotel, or else we can call it as dhaba. Near that village there was a small inn, and yes, when the villagers wanted to hear the latest gossip, they would go to the inn, sit there and have a cup of tea or a glass of buttermilk. If they want to listen latest conversation, if they want to hear latest conversation, like gossip and all, what they usually do, the villagers, they used to go to that inn and sit over there. They have a cup of tea or else a glass of buttermilk. At midday, the blacksmith went there to have a cup of tea, and what happened? And hear the latest gossip. He was surprised to know that the innkeeper means what here? Who is innkeeper here? The person who holds the hotel, dhaba, or else that is called as innkeeper. That person comes under innkeeper. Had no knowledge of what the milkmaid had said. Right? The person was very surprised. Why? Because the innkeeper is not aware of what is going on in the village. Before that, innkeeper was proud because he is only the one, whatever goes on in the villages and all, this person get to know first. But this conversation, he was not aware of this. Did you hear? Said the blacksmith, looking important, what the milkmaid said this morning. The innkeeper was upset when he found that there was news he did not know. The innkeeper is upset now because he was not aware of the latest news. He always pride himself on knowing everything that happens anywhere. He always prided himself of knowing everything before passing that information to other people, because he is holding an inn and everyone comes to inn to have a cup of tea or a glass of butter. Well, continued the blacksmith, the milkmaid said that the magician was a frog and that she was wiser than he was. But his pounding and clanging all day, the blacksmith seldom heard anything. What, like when he was moving for something like that, doing his work and talking to this innkeeper, on that time the person is unable to hear. So he said whatever was coming in his mind, whatever coming in his imagination and all, he was saying. So he said whatever he imagined, he had heard. Got it? Whatever he imagined, he said that he heard these all things. Meanings, let us go for meanings. Should, shoe, should. Fit a horse with shoes. This comes under should, S-H-O-D. Got it? And next meaning, inn, a small old hotel at the roadside. A dhaba, it can call it as dhaba or else a small old hotel. Pounding, P-O-U-N-D-I-N-G, beating something with heavy blows. Clanging, C-L-A-N-G-I-N-G, clanging, loud ringing sound of metal being stuck. So when the blacksmith was saying these all things, it was a sound, pounding and clanging, right? I underline few vocabulary here. Work on that. How to work, you all are aware of that. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself as well as your family.